What if you could simply ask Claude, which were the leads that came in last week but have not been followed up upon? And it could simply answer it. See, today, we all know B2B marketers are stuck between HubSpot, their CRM, and multiple marketing tools, including AI tools, copying data, losing context in between, and it just doesn't work. Even Claude is powerful, but it does not really know your CRM, does it? But that can change. One of the ways of connecting HubSpot with Claude is through an HubSpot MCP. Now, HubSpot has its own officially launched MCP, but let me tell you, it does not really have enough capabilities. And that is why us, as a marketing agency working with B2B and tech clients, helping them set up HubSpot, helping them set up their marketing infrastructure, and helping them with demand gen, we realized we needed more than what HubSpot MCP had to offer. So GrowthSpree built its own HubSpot MCP, which I'm going to show you today. It has much more capabilities. It can read your data, reason over it, and give you actionable recommendations of what to do next. You can connect your Google Ads, LinkedIn ads, you can connect Search Console, Google Analytics, all of it together, and HubSpot to get a full funnel view, to understand where the gaps in the funnel are, and just make better decisions. So today I'm going to take you step by step how you can set up HubSpot with Claude using GrowthSpree's HubSpot MCP. And by the way, did I tell you that it's absolutely free forever and it takes less than 5 minutes to set it up? Let's dive in. First thing that you do is visit our website, growthspreeofficial.com. Just go to Marketing AI Agents. And for HubSpot, go to AI Marketing MCP. All you have to do is just put your email ID right here. Once you do that and click on Get Access, just wait for a minute or so. You will get an email which will have all the instructions you need in order to set up HubSpot with Claude. We are on the email now, right? This is the kind of email that you're going to get. Welcome to Zipeline AI, which is what we're calling the MCP right now. By GrowthSpree, the account is now active. First step is you click on this link and use your email as your username and use this password to simply log into this particular account. Once you log in, you will come to something like, once you log in, you come to this kind of a screen where it will ask you to set up different platforms. We are looking at HubSpot. This is right here. You can just click on Finish Setup. It will take you through a login, which is your HubSpot account. You do that, simple authentication, simple OAuth authentication, and it's all done, right? Once you're done with that, you can go back to the email. Just one more thing, there is this token which we're going to be using later. Come back, you have this link. This is an MCPB file. Click on it and download it. It's a drive link. All you have to do is download this file. Once it's downloaded, you come back to the email. You have to install Claude Desktop. I already have it. If you don't have it, it's a simple process. Just click on this link and you can install it for your Windows or your Mac. Next, we need to go to Claude. Once you've downloaded Claude, your MCPB file is also downloaded. Come to Claude, click on Settings, go to Extensions, click on Advanced Settings, install extension, and you need to install this MCPB file right here. Click on Preview. In just a bit, a dialog box will open, which will showcase that it's enabled. You need to configure it. Once you click on Configure, click Close. This is where you add your user token, which is the API. This is where you add your user token, which is your API token, which you should need to take from the Zipeline platform. This is where the API token is. You can just copy and paste it right there on Claude. Simply paste it right here. Once you do that, click on Save. That's it. You're good to go. You can go to a new chat. First thing, under connectors, you have GrowthSpree MCP server enabled. Now you can start asking questions about your HubSpot account and even connect other ad platforms like Google Ads, LinkedIn ads, and keep asking any insights that you want, any root cause analysis that you want to do, any reports, analysis on the leads that are there, mapping if leads have had LinkedIn impressions, that is influence pipeline, which leads are inactive for the last 3 months. All of this data is now easily accessible. And as a B2B marketer, there's hardly more that you want. Thank you.